The Briefing Center is important for us because it really enables us to bring to fruition our vision of becoming a solution partner with our customers. The Briefing Center is a space that allows our partners and our customers to really experience and explore the technology and solutions that we bring to the market.
We knew from the time we decided to move offices that we wanted to create a briefing center. We wanted to create an environment that people wanted to come, learn in a hands-on, immersive setting, and then see all the latest and greatest technology that we have to offer.
We've built this briefing center to illustrate our technology in a number of verticals that are applicable to our customers.
The corporate space, whether they be huddle room, conference room, or even the lobby, as well as retail, transportation, education, restaurants. Diversified AV was our AV integrator partner who did the integration for the new office, including the briefing center. We also needed the support of our partners to help us pull off and really showcase and highlight these vignettes. Peerless AV, Draper, Hyperwall, DisplayNote, CSI, CRI, those are just a few of the partners that helped us with the briefing center now, and that's just to name a few. And it's not just about the hardware. I mean, NEC is known for their display technology and the hardware around that, but this briefing center is really showcasing and highlighting the fact that it goes beyond the display hardware.
In the briefing center, you have access to be able to see how not just the hardware comes to life, but the hardware and the software and the different components in real-world applications help solve customer problems.
This is a place where our partners and customers can come together to explore our technology and our solutions.